Hi, can you tell me who you are and what you do?
Hi, my name is Brianna.
Hi, I'm Natalia.
Hi, I'm Catherine, and we're the Cleaning Advantage.
What type of cleaning does the Cleaning Advantage do?
We specialize in bi-weekly cleaning.
Awesome. There are a lot of cleaning people in the area. Why should I choose your company?
Well, we all speak English, we are bonded and insured, and we all bring our own green cleaning supplies.
Our services are 100% guaranteed, and plus we show up on the same day and time we say we will.
We clean so many houses with cats and dogs. We love them so much, we even bring them treats.
Okay, do you have any online reviews that I could look at?
We have over 30 reviews on Google, Yelp, Facebook, and HomeAdvisor.
Awesome. Are you taking on any new clients?
We sure
are.
Okay, great. Thank you. How do I get more information?
Scroll down.
And put in your contact information.
And here you go.